The Settings app is at the heart of your personal experience in iPadOS. It's where you shape how your iPad looks, sounds, and behaves, and it's really the place where the device starts feeling like yours. Its sidebar is slightly resizable, letting you drag it wider for breathing room to accommodate long menu names. Above it, you have the search bar, the fastest way to get where you need to go, if you know exactly what you're looking for. So instead of scrolling through multiple sections, just type a word or two like Bluetooth, wallpaper, or keyboard. The iPad will then give you options for that from all sections and apps, so you can go straight to the right place. Your system settings are organized into various sections on the sidebar, including General, Display, and multitasking options, to mention but a few. This course is designed to show you how different settings affect the way you work on your iPad. We will introduce them naturally as they become relevant in each lesson, so everything feels connected to what you're doing. iPadOS 26 changed how app-specific settings are organized. Instead of having a long list of apps mixed with your system settings, you'll find them grouped under the Apps section, where you can search for the app you want or navigate to it using the alphabet on the side. Each app then has its own settings page, and what you see here depends on the app. Some have a couple of toggles, while others have a whole set of options. And that's a basic orientation of the Settings app.